guys, back to another. And today it's only me again, and we have the same channel, but we do videos separate sometimes. And today I'm gonna be doing my updated slime collection. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So the first slime is this slime.
Actually, I like to talk about the slime, but your foot scared me. The only thing I don't like about this slime is that it's rippy, but it gets off of stuff really quickly. If you need something to clean up, it's fine for you.
And I will.
If you're a messy person, if you like glue time, like gold glue.
All these are either made with white glue, glitter glue,
slime,
or white glue and just glitter.
if you like to clean up your favorite slime, this is slime.
That's this.
Not as
This also works super good and super fast. This one.
Next one is called Snowflake, I think.
So there's this one.
We have some of those.
And this one is called Blueberry Blossom Slime.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
And we just put it in. Next slime, give me a little slime. Hold on. Next slime is this slime. This slime isn't so good. I'm gonna fix this one while I'm putting it. I'm posting this video on YouTube.
What? I was like, yeah.
No, you said damn.
I was like, yeah. I'm not doing it that way.
Add some lotion beside it.
Yeah, this is some good slime. And all these probably like Christmassy themed same slimes because Christmas is in 4 days. Yeah. Next slime. This one. This one's like my favorite.
I'll just take the slime and put it over the lotion. This is it. These are like slime pancakes.
Definitely not.
Some people like.
It's not. Definitely not.
I know you guys are probably cringing so much right now. Sorry. Trying to fix a slime.
Just
Let's see.
not
It's a messy process, I know, but it makes it so super. This nice. And if you guys are wondering why, like, I keep doing that with my back, I fell down the stairs like a couple minutes ago,
I'm so dramatic.
and like it hurts so bad. It still hurts.
And this is
Now it's like
jiggly / regular slime. It can get bubbly.
So yeah,
Really
here's
bubbly.
the slime, and this one's called sugar apple slime. It's like a chill slime with green glitter.
So weird.
I mean,
Or a gingerbread house.
glowed.
I do it.
We were gonna eat it on Christmas.
It was all hard.
Doesn't matter.
With some green. Why do I keep saying green glitter? Gold glitter. Actually, that is green glitter. There's some green
I'm
glitter.
done with this one. I can't believe all this
I'm
slime
done with this one. Next slime.
Here, go.
What?
Give me the slime over there.
What are you doing in here? You want to take a nap?
The one, is that the only one you have over there? Oh, alright. This one.
The next slime is this slime.
Next one
This
is
one's
called-
Christmas tree ornament slime. And it is
Blueberry blossom. Not gonna take this one out because it's a
a
little
bit
sticky.
sticky right now because of like melted.
It's not.
And we need to reactivate it.
I'm not gonna take this one out because
sticky. No, it's like sticky, but when you actually start dancing, it smells like sticky. See that? So once this slime would stick to my cookie, but it would literally be like water. Actually, milk because water is like glue and milk is like glue. If you guys can see, it's a green slime with pink and green glitter. That's why we call it Christmas. And Christmas is in 4 days. And we were gonna, you know, the Christmas colors are red and green, but like we just
Tomorrow
have
is
red
3,
glitter.
then the next day is 2, then the next day is 1, and then Christmas Eve, and then Christmas.
So I know like the Christmas colors are red and green, but we didn't have any green. I mean red glitter, so we just put pink and green. And it actually does look red, kind of. So yes, do a nice try, a nice shot,
I'm ready to
a nice twirl.
go for it. I'm so glad to play with like little person.
Just a slime. It's the next slime. Ready?